At first glance, Humayun's tomb looks like just another beautiful Mughal monument. The more you look at it, the more you realize nothing here is random. Every arch, every garden, every water channel, and even the temperature inside the building has been carefully designed. Today I'm not going to tell you just the history. I'm going to show you why Humayun's tomb became one of the greatest example of architecture in India. The left side mirrors the back side. The front side mirrors the back. This wasn't just to make it beautiful. Symmetry creates a feeling of order, harmony, and permanence. That's one of the reasons that building still feels so satisfying to look at, even after nearly half a millennium. Now let's talk about one of the most important design elements, the charbagh. Instead of placing the tomb in the middle of an open field, the architects divide the entire landscape into four equal sections using water channels and walkways. This design came from Persian architecture and represents a vision of paradise. But it wasn't only symbolic. The gardens also created cooler surroundings, improved airflow, and made walking through the complex a much more pleasant experience.
One feature that most visitors never notice is the double dome. What looks like one dome from the outside is actually two separate domes. The outer dome gives the monument its grand appearance. The inner dome creates a comfortable proportion inside.
The space between them acts like an insulating layer, helping reduce heat during Delhi's hot summer.
So, this wasn't just any beautiful engineering marvel, it was also smart and climate responsive design. Humayun's tomb is also where the two architectural traditions come together. From Persia came the charbagh layout, large central dome and grand arches, and from India came the use of red sandstone, detailed craftsmanship, and local building technique.
Together they created a style that later became the foundation of Mughal architecture across India.
Water was brought through gravity-led channels and distributed across the gardens. Besides irrigation, flowing water helped cool the surroundings and added calming atmosphere. It's a great example of how architecture and engineering together work simultaneously. Long before air conditioners existed, buildings like these stayed comfortable through smart design and climate active changes. Thick stone walls slowed down heat from entering, and high ceilings allowed the hot air to rise. Openings and jali screens improved airflow while filtering harsh sunlight. Every design decision helped to create a naturally cooler environment. If this monument reminds you of the Taj Mahal, you are not wrong.
Humayun's tomb introduced many design ideas that were later refined in the Taj Mahal.
The symmetry, the charbagh garden, and the grand central dome, and all the balanced proportions.
That's why many historians call Humayun's tomb the architectural predecessor of the Taj Mahal. After spending some time here, we realized something.
Humayun's tomb isn't just famous because it's old.
It's famous because every part of this place was designed with an intention.
The gardens weren't just beautiful, they cooled the surroundings.
The dome wasn't just grand, it helped control the temperature. The symmetry wasn't just artistic,
it created a sense of harmony. And that's what great architecture is. It's where beauty and function work together hand in hand. If you enjoyed learning about this design behind places like this,
subscribe and join me as we explore more architecture, fashion, and product design across India.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Nice. Nicely done.